My name's Logan Clements, and I'm a business owner and freelance event manager, and I'm starting this channel so that I can share event tips with the world, with you guys. I've been an event planner for 6 years, predominantly in China. Fun fact, I can speak Mandarin Chinese. Working in China, where I worked with a lot of companies who were coming from the US and trying to do events in China, and now I'm back in the US. I'm in Seattle, and helping them plan events here. And similar to probably a lot of what you guys are feeling at home, it's been really confusing with all the COVID things, and just the impact that that has had on how we gather and how we celebrate. One of the reasons I got into event planning is because I love bringing people together, and I've been wanting to do this for a really, really long time. And I will say, as much as I'm grieving for what my 2020 was supposed to be, this break has been kind of nice to sit down and refocus and get to some of my to-dos that I've been putting on my wish list. And I've always wanted to kind of put down all of my resources, things that I use in my day-to-day event planning life that I think would really be helpful for anybody, whether you're planning your first event and you're a couple getting married, or you work for a nonprofit or a company and you're planning your 100th event. I think there's always stuff you can learn. The beauty of being an event planner as well as a business owner is that no 2 days are the same. And so I find that every event is really unique, but there are some things like your infrastructure and your bare bones, just like kind of building a house. There are certain things you have to have. I'm creating this channel just to help share some video content where I'm going to talk about everything from event budgets, my personal favorite and least favorite at times, how to make a good day of timeline, how to talk to vendors, what should you be asking when you go and scout a new venue. I'm known as the queen of questions to a lot of my friends and my colleagues in the event industry because I like to ask lots of questions. And so I will share some of my go-to questions with you guys, and hopefully that'll help you guys get started in your own event planning process. So if you enjoy, you want to subscribe below. Just if you're interested in learning more about event planning and anything more that I have to share, I'm excited to learn from you guys, to help share some of my favorite people I love working with in the event industry, and also chat about what it's like to run your own business, because boy, it's a roller coaster. There are good days and there's bad days. So I'm looking forward to helping share some of those tips and tricks along the way. So if this seems like something you're interested, I hope to see you guys in my next video. We'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.